Today we're making an Egyptian? No, that's not what we're making. Guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna make a really cool Egyptian collar that I will insert over here. I used this with my class when we talked about around the world. We did a little week on Egypt. So these are the pictures that I used for inspiration based on real Egyptian collar necklaces. This is a really fun craft to do in a group of kids because you can lay out all the various stones and sequins and whatever you're using for the children just to go into and be really creative. And it turned out really well. At the end of the video, I'll show pictures of how it turned out with my own class. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so what you're going to need for this craft are scissors, a paper plate, some white school glue, things to decorate your collar such as some felt, sequins, some little rhinestone stick-ons, vase fillers, and glitter. You will also need some yellow paint to paint your collar and a hole punch with a string or ribbon to tie it on. As promised, here are the final results of some of the necklaces that I did with my class. They really enjoyed this, and I included a few pictures of them making it. Here they are painting their necklaces yellow. I really like to sit them 4 at the table with some paint in the middle. It teaches them to share and it doesn't get too chaotic. Once the paint was dry, it was time for the fun part of decorating. Here is what I was talking about earlier with placing all the decorations in the center of the table and letting them be creative.
So guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button down below where I come out with weekly videos and you will be notified. I also put my Instagram down below so you can follow me there to see all the crafts that I have done in the past and also will be doing in the future. And if you've recreated any of these videos with your class or your children, I would love to see. So please tag me on Instagram. I'll see you next time. Bye.